I haven't done a headset review in quite a while. Obviously, I use gaming headsets like every day, and I did review the first generation of the Astro A10s, so I thought that it would be a good idea to check out the newer version to see if there were any notable improvements, because the A10 was a headset that I thought that could definitely use a little bit of work and a little bit of love. I won't waste your time, honestly. It's very similar. It's got some new colors and it's got a new design and is a little bit more rugged, and the microphone is vastly improved as well. Hey guys, here's a quick sound test of the second generation of the Astro A10s. This headset, its entire purpose is to be a lot more durable, have some really cool colors, have a flip to mute microphone, and a long lasting comfort design. So yeah, I'm not too sure about all of that. I mean, maybe depending on who you are, but yeah, we'll see in the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching, by the way. If you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and back to the review. But if you don't have a small head to fit these 32mm drivers, in my opinion, this is the pair of Astros that you get for your children. These things are just way too small to be comfortable for any adult unless you have a really small head. Maybe it's just my hair and my head is just massive. Like, that's more of a personal problem. There's not really any rotating ear cups and whatnot. The audio quality is very similar to the first generation A10s as well. Like, I thought they were pretty decent. Nothing really special or anything to write home about, but very clear, and you can define footsteps and ambient noises in game. The comfort is just what gets me when it comes to this headset. So it does have a little bit of adjustment as far as the height of the ear cups on either side, and then the microphone flips out and you can move it around and you can flip it to mute, and that's about it. You have a removable cable as well included inside of the box, and it also comes with this audio and microphone splitter, and on the cable itself you also have a volume adjustment right here that you can do. Cable is pretty decently long, okay priced at like $60, and there's a lot of colors available as well. I think there's 5 different colors that also look very good. It's just really small. If you have kids that are under the age of like 10 years old and their heads are small, this is gonna work great for them. But otherwise, if you're an adult or even a teenager and your head is anything short of small, I don't really think that this is gonna work for you, and you should probably look at the bigger Astro A20s. And I remember they just added compatibility for the PS5 and the Xbox Series X, but the design to me looks largely unchanged, and you still can't swivel the headset as well like you can with the A40s and the A50s, which is probably their main selling point to go with those, other than the vastly improved drivers when compared to the A10s and the A20s. My Astro A40 TRs that I've had for like 3 years at this point are still treating me very well as far as the audio quality goes. The only small thing that I will say about these is that the build quality is definitely noticeably worse than the previous version of Astros that I had. Like right here, you can see along the headband, the black is starting to come off and peel off of the transparent plastic. I would really just hope that they would just use black plastic to make the headband itself, but apparently they use clear plastic and then coated over it with black paint or spray or whatever the heck they put on it that's just chipping off. So I really hope that any of the other Astro products going forward don't have this exact same issue. Obviously that's not an issue with the A10, but I really hope that the A10 is not that. The plastic does feel different in comparison to this kind of plastic, so I don't think that that's going to be the case, but I just thought that that was something that I would mention since I was doing a video on an Astro headset. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. This is a decent headset if you have a really small head, and it's pretty inexpensive as well, like $50 to $60. So if you get it on sale, even better. If you pay full price, I wouldn't feel too bad about it, but it is pretty good. Again, don't expect it to be super comfortable if you have a big head, because it's not going to be comfortable and it probably won't fit. Like, I put this thing on my head, I feel it like tugging upwards on the bottom of my ears, and it's also sitting on top of my ears too, so I just don't recommend it. Again, if you have a massive head. But I will see you guys in the next video. If you enjoy, feel free to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel as well. And thank you again for watching.